Unscrew the brake fixing screw. Remove the brake. Use pliers to reset the clip. Remove the pin. Remove the brake pads from the bottom. Replace with a new brake pad. Install the brake pads from the bottom. Align the hole at the top. Remove the new card pin and insert it. Use pliers to bend the top fixed pin. Install the brake in position. Be careful not to fully tighten the screws. Squeeze the brake handle tightly. At the same time, tighten the brake fixing screws again. Brake replacement completed.